Turn my feet up, 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 turn my feet up. Yeah, we can do anything, walk into anywhere and buy anything. I be chillin', I ain't worried about anything. Why stop now? I can have everything. Yeah, I can have everything. Yeah, I can have everything. Yeah, I can have everything. Why stop now? I can have everything.
Now, every single time I get up in the building and I touch it and I get it poppin', you can never stop it. And I love it, got 'em buggin' and they wondering how a nigga does it when I black at every hood and every street and then I flood it. Making every DJ wanna bring it back and then they rubbin', making over and then poppin', ain't no food up in the cover. See the way I got no skid and now I got a nigga running from the way that I be getting on the beat and I be damn. I wanna see y'all do that on YouTube. Yo, it's your boy Busta Rhymes back at it again. And truth be told, I really do wanna see y'all do that on YouTube. I wanna see everybody do that on YouTube. I wanna see babies do it on YouTube. I wanna see girls doing it on YouTube. I wanna see boys doing it on YouTube. I wanna see dogs doing it on YouTube. I wanna see cats, rats, squirrels, every living species in existence spitting my verse right there on YouTube. Y'all just heard just a snippet of my first verse from my new banger called Why Stop Now, featuring the young homie Chris Brown. We getting ready to shoot a video for that, and I'm pretty sure that y'all gonna wanna, I'm pretty sure y'all are gonna need to be a part of that. What y'all are gonna need to do is y'all are gonna need to grab the track, learn the verse, film yourself, and when you finish filming yourself, you know what I'm saying, if you really think that you're nice enough to do it the way I just did it, then you take your verse and you upload it to your YouTube, and then you just put it right here. You feel me? Now, you can vote, you know, which ones you like. You can vote which one you think is official. You can vote which ones you think is hot. You know what I'm saying? But me personally, I'm gonna pick my favorites. I'm gonna include them in my video if I really think that they hot enough to be in the video. I was told that I might need to give y'all the lyrics to make it easier for y'all, but I ain't trying to do that. Just to make it a little easier for y'all, we're gonna give y'all a song for free. Absolutely free, thanks to Google Music. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna give you the arsenal so that you can go in the battlefield and know how to go to war with that record, because that's gonna be the way to get in this video, by actually shooting yourself, spitting the lyrics to the song, and showing everybody how nice you are with it. You're gonna have to upload it to YouTube, upload it to Google+, and maybe you're gonna wind up in the next video. Just stay tuned for all of the incredible new singles that's gonna be coming from your boy Busta Rhymes, because there's definitely gonna be a whole lot more new heat for y'all to look forward to, and look forward to the new album. In the meantime, get it popping with this Why Stop Now record, because I'm gonna definitely have my eye on y'all, all right? Peace. Back to the music.
Yeah, we can do anything. Walk